double check your seatbelts and enjoy your flight.
And we're about to be taking off from Ontario. This is all this prime air. We're about to. You see, there's the old terminal. You can see this. There's the mountains. There's the convention center. How come that airport has been abandoned since 1998? What are they gonna do with the old one? It's more like where they go to it's just like where we have Antiana storage. Excuse me, I just burped. There's the control tower. And there's Vineyard Avenue. And there you can see there's the 10 freeway that's over there. And we're just about getting... So you can see there's the Comfort Inn again. There's the Candlewood Suites. Actually, that's the Comfort Suites and the Candlewood Suites. Before that, it used to be the Red Roof Inn a long time ago. There's the Doubletree by Hilton. There's the gas stations. There's the Jack in the Box. Famously, some of those delicious breakfast jacks. You have it with cheese or no cheese. I remember you said with no cheese. And then I had it from 11 years ago today, I had it with cheese. Because that's why we're taking about the FedEx auto, which was completed in January of 2022. This is what it looks like. So this is where which was built in January of 2021. Yes, it took from January 2021 until January 2022 to FedEx. Because that's why I remember that had Abuelita where they flew on a Hawaiian. So we're approaching is Grove. There's Grove. Yeah, that's not Grove. Okay, so we're about to take off from Ontario. And now we're about to... It is Saturday, December 6th. And we're about to go. So why is the Southwest going on the runway going on the east side? Why? Why is the Southwest Airlines going to take off going east instead of west?
Because it has to do with the time and weather conditions.
Yeah.
This is your first time.
Yeah. Watch this filming and lesson this video of Ontario back in early November of 2022. There you can see Grove. Oh, there's Grove. Grove Avenue, City of Ontario. And we're taking off right here at the runway. Alright then. Here we go. Flashing lights, and we are taking off. 7-Eleven. And that's not Colony High School. That's the new baseball fields opening next spring. There's a Ralph's, Archibald's, Walgreens, another Jack in the Box. Thanks. There's Mom giving me a mitts. You can see all those new houses down there. There's the Stater Brothers. And see, there's the other buildings too. And that right there, all the way is Chino. See, that's there's Stater Brothers over there. Boy, look at that. I can see Chino Hills. Alright, then. Here we go. Sorry. There's the preserve down there. There's Eastvale. And there's that Albertson Shopping Center. There's Vanderpoint Church. And there's Orange County over there. Alright, then. Bye, Chino Hills. We'll see you on Monday. There's the 15 freeway. And that there is Corona and Norco. And that right there is Norco College. And we're about to be descending our way to Kansas Assembly, so we have to stop in Phoenix. Now there is approaching is Riverside. That's where Victor went to as La Sierra University. There you can see there's the Santa Ana Mountains, and that's the 91 freeway down there. And that's the sunrise. Anyways, I was just thinking if there's you can see the other Stater Brothers shopping plaza, the Ralph's, and that's the Metrolink that takes us all the way over to the Galleria at Tyler. And there's all of the city of Riverside. You can see there's Royce's old house right there.